Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can upload the profile picture on the WhatsApp without losing the quality of the image. Firstly, you would need to go to your own phone gallery and check the image that you want to keep as profile picture, and you can just tap on it, and you just need to make sure that your image is in SD preview. If you have made sure that your image that you want to keep as a profile picture is in SD, then you just need to go to the WhatsApp, and in the top right corner there is 3 button icon. Click on it and there is a setting option. After that, you just need to click on your own name, and in your profile picture right next to it there is a camera icon. So you just need to click on it, choose on the gallery, and just choose the image that you want to keep as the profile picture. When you have made sure that your image is SD and it is in the highest resolution, then the quality of the image won't be changed when it is uploaded as the profile picture. So this is how you can upload your profile picture without losing the quality of the image. So if this video was helpful to you, leave a like button. Thank you.